Hello viewers, I Vinod Kumar Chauhan welcomes you in my YouTube channel CQ means Chauhan Coaching Classes. We are going to solve the question number 1 of exercise 5.2 chapter 5 Understanding Elementary Shapes. Question number 1 says what fraction of clockwise revolution does the hour hand of a clock turn through when it goes from 3 to 9? It means here we are talking about a clockwise revolution of the hour hand. So first we draw a clock. This is our clock 12, 3, 6, 9 is, and clockwise revolution does the hour hand of a clock turn through when it goes from 3 to 9. This is 3 to 9. Suppose this is our center point. So from this center point it is 3 and it is 9. Straight line. So here a straight angle is formed and the fraction in between 3 to 9 is there are two parts of this clock. This is part 1, this is part 2. So the denominator of fraction is 2 and our end is running in between 3 to 9. It means our end is covering only half part of this. So it is the one part. So numerator is 1. So the fraction of this is 1 by 2. Part 4 to 7. And again the question is same. First we show in this clock where it is 4. After 3, 4 comes. So we write here 4 and we join this with the center. It is our center of this clock. And 7, after 6 the 7 comes. So we join center with the 7. So which angle is there here? It is the angle of 90 degree. And angle of 90 degree is showing what? Angle of 90 degree is showing 1/4 of the revolution. It is right angle. Equal to 90 degree. It shows the 1/4 of it means how many parts are there? It is one part, it is second, third, fourth. There are 4 parts in this. So we can write in our answer fraction equal to 1/4. 7 to 10 is given and question is asking what fraction of clockwise revolution does the hour hand of a clock turn through when it goes from 7 to 10. So now we join 7 with this center and the 10 here. Again which angle is there here? It is the angle of 90 degree, means the right angle. So again we write right angle that is of 90 degree and it shows the 1/4 of a revolution. It means in answer we can write fraction equal to 1/4. How we derive this 1/4? It is 90 only. Here it is a circular path. A clock is look like a circle and circle is having the angle of 360 degree. So we divide 360 degree by this 90. 0 is cancelled with 0. 9 1s are 9. 9 4s are 36. This is 4. So there are 4 parts in this whole path and we are talking about this one only. That's why this 4 is our denominator and this one is our numerator. That's why the answer of this fraction is 1/4. 12 to 9. This time we join 12 with this center point and this center point with 9. So we are talking about this angle. it is the angle of 270 degree. Reflex angle of 270 degree. It shows the 3/4 of revolution. Here total are 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts, and we are talking about 1, 2 and this 3 part. So the fraction is 3/4. This is our answer. It is 1 to 10. So first we join the center point with the 1 and then with the 10. So in between 1 to 10 it is a 3 right angles. This is first right angle, then second, then third, then fourth. So how many right angles we are taking here? 3 right angles. It means what? The numerator is 3 and there are total 4 parts. So it is 3/4 of a revolution. We are writing each and every time revolution, but what is a revolution? Revolution is what? A complete round of this circular path is called a revolution. It means if we start with the 12, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and again becomes on a 12. This is called a revolution. Now the fraction for this particular part E is 3/4. 6 to 3. Now we join the center with the 6 and with the 3, and we are talking about this angle. Again it is the 1 part and this is 2, this is 3 and this is the 4th part. So the base or a denominator of this is 4 and we are talking about this 1, 2 and 3 parts. So it is 3/4 of a revolution, and 3 right angles we are using here. So we write here 3 right angles. The revolution is 3/4. So our fraction is 3/4 of a revolution. And in this video we are using a 3/4. We are using a reflex angle word for the 3/4 of a revolution, but there is no special name for the 3/4 of a revolution. So we can always write a 3 right angles at the place of reflex angle.